Hello everyone, this is MATHit, and today I'm going to show you how to solve system of equations using elimination method. Now, with today's practice problem, you'll be able to master how to solve system of equations using elimination method. And if today's practice was not sufficient for you to master, don't worry because I have more practice problems posted on my website, mathit.school. I have worksheets, practice problems, and video solutions to each problem that I post there. So check that website out. Meanwhile, let's move on and solve this problem using elimination method. Now I have the same system right here, and let me show you how I would go about to solve this problem using elimination method. Now, in order to eliminate x or y, you need to come up with a number to multiply to your equations or equation so that you can make coefficient of x or coefficient of y equal to each other, so you can eliminate by adding or subtracting one equation from another. So let me show you what I mean by that. So let me just copy down the two equations that I have. 3x plus 5y is equal to 20. And the second one goes like this. 2x minus 2y is equal to 8. Now, I can choose to eliminate x or I can choose to eliminate y. But off the top of my head, I think eliminating x will be easier because numbers look smaller. So I'll go ahead and do that. And in order for me to do that, I need to make the coefficients of x equal to each other. And I will do that by using LCD. Now, what is the LCD of 2 and 3? Well, it's 6, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 3x equal to 6x and 2x equal to 6x. And I am going to do that by multiplying 2 to the first equation and multiplying 3 to the second equation. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. I am going to multiply 2 to the first equation and 3 to the second equation. So I'm going to rewrite the first one. 2 times 3x, 6x. 2 times 5y, 10y is equal to 2 times 20, 40. And for the second one, 3 times 2x, 6x. 3 times negative 2y, negative 6y is equal to 3 times 8, which is equal to 24. Now I have coefficients of x equal to each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract the second equation from the first equation so that I can eliminate the variable of x altogether. 6x minus 6x is equal to 0, so I successfully eliminated the variable of x completely. Now as for y, 10y minus 6y is equal to 10y plus 6y, which is equal to 16y, and that should equal to 40 minus 24, which is equal to what? 16. So if I divide both sides of the equation with 16, I get y is equal to 1. And I am going to go back to my original equation. Whichever is fine, this one or this one, but let's choose this one. So I'm gonna rewrite that equation. 2x minus 2y is equal to 8. That's this equation right here. And I am going to substitute the value of y, which I know is 1, and that'll give me 2x negative 2 times 1, which is negative 2, is equal to 8, which means if I add 2 to both sides, I can eliminate that and say that 2x is equal to 2 times 8, which is 10, which means my x is equal to 5. Now, I have both y and x values figured out, so I can present my final answer as the following, 5, 1. So that's the x and y values, or the final answer to this problem that I have postulated using elimination method, and that's my final answer. Now, let me show you another way to solve this problem. Let me put that aside and let me show you how I would go about if I chose to eliminate, instead of x, if I chose to eliminate y, I can solve it without any problem. So, if I choose to eliminate y, I need to figure out the LCD of 5 and 2. Now, LCD of 5 and 2, that's 10. So, I need to make 5y equal to 10y and 2y equal to 10y. And I can do that by multiplying 2 to first equation and 5 to second equation. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. 3x plus 5y is equal to 20. 2x minus 2y is equal to 8. I'm going to multiply 2 and 5. That'll give me 6x plus 10y is equal to 40, and 10x minus 10y is equal to 40. Now, I am going to try to eliminate the variable of y by adding these two equations because I have plus here and minus here. So I need to add instead of subtract. So if I choose to add, I can go ahead and eliminate the variable of y completely and end up with 6x plus 10x, which is equal to 16x, is equal to 40 plus 40, 80. And if I divide each side of the equation with 16, I get x is equal to 80 over 16, which is equal to 5. And if I go back to my first original, whichever works, equation and substitute the value of x there, I will get the value of y. So if I substitute 5 here, I get 10 minus 2y is equal to 8. Minus 2y is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 1. So I have both x and y values figured out. So I can present my answer as 5, 1 in a parenthesis like that, which is the same exact answer that we have received from the first method. So this is how you would go about to solve system of equations using elimination method. Just remember to come up with LCD between coefficients of x or coefficients of y. That's all you need to remember when solving system of equations using elimination method. Now, if this video helped you in any way, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you feel like you need more practice with me, then check out my school at www.mathit.com. MATHit.school, you can access dozens of worksheets with practice problems and video solutions to each and every problem that I post there in subject areas like these, and you can access those by clicking Enroll Now button on my website right here. So that's it for today. Thanks for listening. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!